Okay, in this one we're gonna be walking down this I'll give you the name of the street in a minute, but we're gonna start out at in this little area. It's Saturday night and it's kind of a nice little space. So let me just kind of give you a little context. Sao Domingo's church is over there. Okay, let's go check it all out. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna go to this one main road. On our way, we're gonna just go through, this is kind of the Senado Square area, but I'm gonna label this another street name. And then we can kind of check out both a little bit. So this is live music. It's Saturday night. It's about 9 o'clock, I think, 8:30, something like that. 8 o'clock maybe. You can eat and drink over there. They got live music, which is, looks like it's on a break at the moment. Where they play jazz in the park. That's where they are right there. We're gonna keep walking all the way through. I'll give you the context in a minute of so that's Senado Square, that whole thing right there. Really nice little area. So we're gonna keep on walking, and this is gonna be our main focus, is this other street. And I just wanna kinda show you the way to get there. There's all kinds of interesting stuff in every direction here, but I think we're gonna focus on this one. Actually, you know what? I was thinking about going down that way. This is the post office. It goes all the way down. Let me just go down a little bit. But then I think I might switch around and go behind me, because there's a nice place to go on a Saturday night. So that might be a separate video later. Let me just catch the name of the street though. Lots of people. This would be so crowded when things are in full. So we're on Avenida de Almeida Ribeiro. There's also Pizza Hut, Jollibee's is right in that area. Casinos are down that way, MGM. And what we're gonna do is go down this way. And the main reason I want to go down this way is because it's still the same street, but there's kind of a cool little thing all the way down here. And we're gonna walk towards that a little bit. This is the whole square right here. Okay. So we're just gonna walk through this little covered area. Yeah, here we go. So we'll say goodbye to Senado Square. And then we're gonna go walking into this little area, which is all covered. So when it's raining, you kind of have coverage. We also have these kind of Portuguese stuff that I think is kind of cool. So you can see the crab right there and things like that. And we're gonna walk down this street for a little bit. So you got cool stuff like more black and white tiles. Kind of struggling because I kind of want to go fast, but I kind of should go slow too. So that's where we're coming from right there. Look at those colors, they're beautiful. Yellow and pink. Okay. There's our street. Okay. All these kind of cool black and white tile stuff, right? And this one, I believe we have to take a little bit to the left. So for some reason we have to cross over like that. So we'll do that. Pretty crowded. It's a little bit easier to walk in here, a little bit anyways. There we go, now it's all opened up. Got a beautiful sun. We're gonna walk further down. And a little bit down, further down, there's like a little kind of a cool thing that I definitely want to capture on camera. It's a marketplace, so it's like a night market. Let's see, little stands. Let's see what we're at right now. We're at 5.5 minutes, so we'll keep going. Going a little bit fast, walking a little bit fast, and it's nighttime, which isn't good for the camera. But on the other hand, I kind of want to walk fast. So okay. So yeah, Saturday night. Macau, this isn't really a nightlife area, it's just kind of a main street that's actually quite busy tonight for some reason. Little bus stops all up and down in here. Okay, maybe we'll end it right there. So I think that's kind of gives you a little bit of a taste for this area, and we're kind of at a dark stretch. So, okay.